The annual Ramadan gesture by Direct Aid continued this Sunday as the organization's Banjulunding Center, West Coast Region, and Farafenni Center, North Bank Region, began distributing essential food packages to support needy families living near their facilities. The managers of both centers, though new to the Gambia, expressed deep enthusiasm for serving the local community through the Kuwaiti-based humanitarian body. Mohammed Ahmed Idris, the Banjulunding Center manager and a Sudanese national, took the opportunity to thank the people of Kuwait. He highlighted their steadfast support for vulnerable populations across Africa, particularly during the holy month of Ramadan.
نحن سعداء في هذا اليوم المبارك في هذا الشهر المبارك أن نقدم في جمعية العون المباشر برنامج إفطار رمضان الدفعة الأولى في مركز بنجولندن.
The governor of the West Coast region, Usman Bojang, hailed Direct Aid for the numerous interventions. He noted that the organization's work significantly complements government efforts to improve the lives and livelihoods of Gambian citizens.
This is not coming from just one person. These are donors who sit there, expect that when they give their gift, whether it's a charity or whatever, but it is used the right way. And to have Direct Aid as an implementing partner in the Gambia, I think this is a testimony to what Direct Aid is doing in this country. As a country, as a government, we are very, very appreciative of Direct Aid, and to the people who are willingly giving to Direct Aid all the time to make sure the center, the people, the orphans, the needy are well taken care of. I can attest to the fact that Direct Aid is doing that very, very well. We have a very, very good relationship with the government and the people of this country. Seeing the people you see here today in the holy month of this Ramadan, giving to people who, without such an aid, they probably would not have been able to afford.
Direct Aid representatives Ansumana Kinte and Ahmad Sabali further elaborated on the significance of this exercise, reaffirming the organization's long-standing commitment to humanitarian excellence in the region.
Every household, every family that is privileged or opportune to be here will go home with a bag of rice, 10 kilo of sugar, 5 liters of cooking oil, and a pack of tea. We hope this is traditional, that in every household in this country during this period, these are the most that they need at their house. But inshallah, we've heard what you said. We will definitely continue to collaborate, and we will definitely continue to give all our best. The purpose of this office is to complement the efforts of the government. And there is no better way to put it. If the government appreciate and recognize that, you are only paving the way for us to do better. And inshallah, we will do that.
500 families at each center, Banjulunding and Farafenni, received packages on Sunday. More than 1,300 families are set to benefit during the phase in each of the centers. Beneficiaries spoke warmly of the consistent support they received over the years. One recipient shared that he had previously benefited from Direct Aid Hajj package, offering prayers for the donors and the dedicated staff for their seamless operation of projects within the country. The annual Ramadan food distribution is scheduled to continue in the coming days, reaching even more communities across the country. Khadija Rijalo reporting.